This is a tutorial on how to do a high skin fade. First you start by putting the one guard on. You close your lever all the way and you go with the grain. You want to take it down to the desired level that it's going to be on the top when you finish the haircut. Also like and subscribe to Unified Vision if you haven't already. Okay, so after I'm done that, I'm taking the guard off. I'm going to close it, keep it closed all the way. Now you're going to put your first line in. You want it to be even all the way around to about the first vertical bar. Take it all the way around like that. Now what I'm going to do is grab my 5-box and I'm going to go in that same area and bald it all out super clean. That right there is going to make it super smooth and the transition is going to be more blurry at the end. Now what you're going to do is open up your clipper all the way and you're going to put your light line in. Do it all the way up from about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, depending on the shape of the person's head and the way that their head is contoured. Next, you close the clipper halfway, go all the way around like that, and you start blending the line out. Now you're going to close the clipper all the way and blend the line completely out, and that's your baseline right there. Now you're going to take the 1 1/2, close it all the way, and you're going to start to blend out the top. You can go up almost as far as you want. Now you're going to replace your guard with the 1, open it all the way up, and drop the fade a little bit lower. You're going to start to see it blend shortly. Once you go all the way around to this side, now you're going to calibrate your clipper lever halfway. Now you just work your way all the way back around. You're going to start to see the fade start to blend out. You see how I use the chair to help me fade? I never walk around the chair. Excuse me, right now you want to calibrate your lever all the way closed and work your way all the way back around to the right. And this is with the 1 guard against the grain, slightly dropping the fade lower and lower, watching the line blend out. Now you're going to put on a 1/2 guard, switch it to the 1/2 guard, open it all the way, and you're going to drop the fade slightly lower. This is a 1/2 guard, and you're going to work it all the way over to the left, blending the line out even more. After you get to the left, you're going to close and calibrate the clipper halfway and work it all the way back to the right. Now once you get to the right, you're going to calibrate the clipper, close it all the way and drop the fade slightly lower, and the line is just about all the way gone. See how it's blending out? And once you finish with this, you're going to take the guard off, calibrate the clipper all the way open, and do finishing touches at the base of the fade. Remember to always comb out, comb out, comb out, comb out. This right here is where you clean up anything, little spots that you see could be cleaner and more blurry. That's what that's for. Now you want to go ahead and clean his facial hair. He doesn't get his mustache or his chin touch, so all you do is go ahead and clean everything, all of the hair that's on his face. You just clean it, everything besides the mustache and the chin. I'm just gonna clean that up. Look how blurry the fade is. Now what I'm gonna do is break out the liners. After I of course brush him off, break out the liners. Do the vertical bars first, then you center the head. Go from center to right, directly to the corner, box it out. Turn them around, center to the left, directly to the corner, and box it out. Now I'm going to take the Babyliss Gold and just trim the loose hairs on the top. Never forget to trim. It always give the haircut a polished look, and it makes the client's haircut last longer. Most of my clients say that their haircuts last about a week and a half. Now I'm going to lean him back and I'm going to razor his outline. Razor his line. He just has the vertical bars in the top. The front hairline straight across. The other side. Satisfied client. That's my guy Walt. Always come through, show love, you know what I'm saying? Thanks everybody for checking out the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Always make sure you hit them with the alcohol. Make sure everything is clean and sanitized so you're not bumping up later on. Here we have it. Hitting with the tea tree olive oil sheen. Final picks. Good money.